Hey everybody, this is Harshit and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'll be working on my very beautiful website. As you can see, this is sleek and black and dark mode website that's specifically built for me. And I'm going to be building this live. Excuse me, that's because I'm drinking a lot of kombucha right now, so that's why the burps. But anyways, I am working on my own website, and this I've built everything from scratch. And the only thing is, I actually copied this one from Orange Collective. It's a VC firm. That's where I copied this entire header from. All I had to do was, inspect element, copy. Yeah, this thing. It's actually very beautiful. So, I just copied that for my website and even the background a little bit. But everything else is mine. Everything else is what I've built. Some of them is actually still a placeholder, but we can still build this. And the reason I'm doing this video is because as a non-coder, I used to pay people to build a website like these for me. And I used to tell people, hey, can you build a website like this for me? And they used to charge me like, a couple $1,000 actually. And it wasn't up to the mark. It wasn't exactly what I had in my mind. So you know what? Right now, Cursor is like a creative playground for anybody who has ideas to just go ahead and just build the entire platform for themselves. Right now, let's start off with the website, and then I have to work on my venture fund, which is Harshit Ventures. It's actually what I'm working on. It's my holding company, and that company will also be holding other couple SaaS products and an agency as well. So all of that we got to build. And one of the agencies is a dev shop. The other agency is a social media automation agency. The third product is going to be a SaaS product that I'll be working on. And guess what? I'll also be coding that live as well in this video. So that's all. That's what I'm up to in the next couple of days. So let's go ahead and build this. I wasn't able to show you exactly how this thing is built because I was just lying on my sofa and just building this. But yes, let's go ahead and complete this right now. I've added all the icons, so this goes to my GitHub. And this, if you want to chat with me, a lot of people do. If you want to chat with me, just click on this on Telegram, and then you can. That's literally me. You can message me if you have anything. If you want consulting services or anything, you can feel free to message me. LinkedIn, that's my Spotify podcast. YouTube, which you're actually watching this video on, and this is subscribe. So go ahead, subscribe to my newsletter. And my newsletter, I'll be sharing you guys insights about AI agents and how to build startups with AI. And basically even this one, right? How exactly you're able to do this. And it's my personal newsletter, so I'll be dropping some cool stuff there. So just go ahead and do that. Okay, this is something we got to work on. As you can see, the subscribe is a little off. The reason it happened because, let me show you why that happened. If I just go to inspect applications, wait, where was it? Inspect application and yeah, local storage, I guess. Yes. And this, let me just delete this pop-up so that you can now go ahead and see the pop-up. Then just go to the home, and now you'll be seeing the actual pop-up, which is basically subscribe to my newsletter pop-up that I created. And I've actually been seeing this, a lot of people using this too, and I feel like it's a little overwhelming to a lot of people. This looks good on this, right? It really looks good on this on screen, but I still see the subscribe and the arrow mark is a little bit off. I don't know if you're able to notice that. That is actually an issue. But okay, let's say someone just enters without typing, then they get this. And if they want to just cancel this, and then there's another pop-up which says, hold up, look, I get it, another newsletter sign up. But here's what you get: AI agents, all free, weekly AI insights, and zero spam. Pinky promise. Yeah. That's all. That's basically it. And most people are actually clicking off this. And the way I can see this is using PostHog. And this is my website where I can actually see people. Okay, so I think this should be me. These are all the session plays, everything on PostHog that I can see. All the people that are actually using my website. A lot from UK, the US, Pakistan, India. A lot of people have been on my website lately. A lot from Pakistan. That's nice. Okay, maybe do they want consulting services or are they like editors? This is Spain, India. Oh, okay. Actually, when I hover on this, I can. Okay, this should be me for now. Yeah. But after that, Brampton. Yeah, I think a lot of people watching it. That's cool. That's cool. But the problem, what I've actually noticed is when you look into their behavior, I see that they are just clicking off. Okay, so let's just notice their behavior right now. First thing they do is they just go to work. They just, okay, they're getting the pop-up. They're not even entering. They're just canceling it. None of them want to sign up to my newsletter. That is okay, but I'm still trying to capture leads. And now it's okay. Everything that you see here is actually visits. Nothing after that. They just clicked off. Okay, that's less than a couple seconds. Okay, the 5 minutes is just, yeah, it's just less than 32 seconds. People not sticking on it for even 32 seconds. I have to figure out how to retain, because retention is the most important, right? And I also want them to click on my consulting services and book a service with me, right? Because what I'm trying to do is I'm creating this content on YouTube, and I'm trying to funnel that content into my website. And if you want any consulting services, you could definitely, I can join you as a consultant on an hourly basis. But the pricing, it's all placeholder, it's all temporary. I still have to properly work on this, right? That's something I have to do. So consulting community, yes, this is something I want to work on, but it's just taking so much time because I have so much to do. And now this is something, the thing is, I want to funnel all my community members into a community, and I see a lot of people use Skool.com. You guys already know David Andre. Yeah, I've been looking at this guy too. He's been, creating some cool content. So yes, he's charging $97 a month, and this is everything that he offers. And there are already 734 members in his community. That's crazy. Let's calculate how much he makes a month. That's how much? 734. Let's say 6. You know what? Let's just go with what it is, because most of the time what happens is sometimes you join in for a lot less amount and then it doubles. What was it again? 734. 734 into 97. That's crazy. That's 71,000 a month just from the community itself. That is crazy, right? So it's good amount that is making. So I'm trying to emulate the same thing and try to do the same thing for myself too. But I don't want Skool. I want my own complete custom built dashboard, because if I'm trying to build a community, that's for myself, and I want the community members to all be in the umbrella that I have, which is basically my own community, my own dashboard basically. So I don't want to use other dashboards. I can use Circle as well, but I want to stick with building my own. And I think that also is like proof of work, right? Because it's something that I've built, and you guys joining in that means the product, everything that I'm doing works. So that's why you join it. I'm thinking $49 a month. And blog. Perfect. So the blog is actually all these newsletters that I've sent, and this is from Beehive. And again, the thing with me is I want to stick with my domain, which is only going to be harshit.io. And I don't want other domains like, harshit.beehive.com. So all I've done is I've taken the RSS code that I get, and I've simply used that RSS feed code inside my own website. So in that way, everything's going to be in my website itself. It's just harshit.io/blog, and then shop. Okay, I think this is going to be a little bit of work because it's basically like Gumroad. It's going to be Gumroad, but only for my digital products. All of these digital products are still placeholders. None of them actually do work. I want to make them work this weekend itself. So let's just focus on that. Right. So there are a lot of things. I think you guys understand, there are a lot of things that we guys have to work on right now. And guys, it's important for you guys to also build your own website, because everyone I've been interacting from Silicon Valley, I see all of them have their own websites, and it just shows everything that they do. Right. So that's super important. And yes, the email also doesn't work. The email is actually not working. I haven't even set it up properly. All right, so let's get to work. Now that we understand all of this, so let's understand the user behavior. What do people want immediately? What is the problem, right? Let's see that first. All right, some people just click. No, he's not doing anything. Maybe it's this guy. Okay, I see a lot of people going on consulting. Okay, he's looking at work. Nice. He's trying actually reading everything and is looking at. Okay, sponsor. How much I charge for sponsorships? How much for consulting? And now he just stopped. All right. So the very first thing I'm supposed to do is let's work on the get in touch thing. All right. For me to work on the get in touch thing, book now redirects to nothing. So, okay, let's just do this. So I can actually build my own Calendly as well, but I think that's not a priority right now. Let's just do cal.com. Harshad, yeah, that's me, right? This is me, and so I have sponsorship, 1 hour session, and that's going to be $500 a month, and that's discovery call. So here's what we're going to do: discovery call, consulting, sponsorship. Okay, so what we do. I can create my whole Calendly that's also available. You can just type in Shad CNUI cal.com. Yeah, this guy. I think this guy has created his own. Yes, that's basically your own cal.com. You can check this out on GitHub as well. It's available. shadcncal.com. It's available. Eventually, I'll be working on this, but immediately right now, I think a lot of people want to talk to me. Because I see I'm getting leads. I'm getting a lot of leads. People do want to talk to me. People do want to consult with me because I'm sharing a lot of content, right? It's super valuable as well. So simple. You know what? Let's just take this to Cursor. And for Cursor, what we're going to do is first, let me just download the code base because I don't have it on this Mac. Code base downloaded. Let's just place it here. All right. And now we open Cursor. Okay, now this one. Perfect. The first thing that we're going to do is open the Composer, go to terminal, and then just do yarn install. Also, this is not open source. If you guys are wondering, I'm going to share this code. No, I wouldn't be sharing this code. Maybe I price it and then paste it on shop, and maybe then you guys can buy it. But guys, at this point, I've understood that I'm not going to do anything for free. I used to be that. I used to help out a lot for free. I used to intern a lot. I used to do just everything for free. And I just realized that at a point, I think people have taken advantage of me because I was doing everything for free. And now I do have experience working with YC companies and working, the thing about North American culture is they're pretty open. Let me adjust the camera a little bit here. Yes, the thing about North American culture is they're very clear cut. They're super honest with things, and they're like, okay, this is how much I charge for consulting. If you pay me this, I'd love to hop on a call with you. Give my proper services, and then maybe we can even figure out a retainer as well. But coming from Indian culture, we're like, okay, I will do it. Okay, bro, I will do it, bro. Okay, I will do it, bro. How much, bro? 10,000 rupees. 5,000, bro. To take it, bro. I will do, bro. Free, bro. Free. I will do for free. That's how it is, guys. I mean, I was that. Everything that I've mentioned, it was me at a point, and I don't think I'll be doing it anymore because what I've seen is even MIT grads they're building shit products, and some of them are also from YC, right? I don't want to say it publicly. If you are watching this segment, just listen and then just shut up, okay? Just don't say just so just don't post it anywhere or anything. But I see even a lot of YC founders, they aren't really good with their companies. Most of them are actually just going to fail, and that is the thing. That's the hard reality. And if you are someone from whoever the fuck named it, developing country, whatever the fuck it is, all right, yeah, bro, it is a developing country. Okay, I'm from India. Yes, I own it. Okay, The problem is that people think you can just pay them in INR rates and it'll be done. But I think the global shift is happening, and the reason I'm doing this is because I want to create content. I want to build a personal brand and actually charge the rates, the market rates, the real market rates, global market rates. All right. So that's what I'm going to do, and that's exactly the whole reason of me even building this whole personal brand, creating content, even because I exited a startup, man. I exited a startup, and I'm doing all of this, so I know how shit works. All right. So that's why I can do this. Now let's do yarn build. Right. So sometimes I do get errors with this, but again, the drill. Any errors, we just go solve it here. Hopefully, no errors. Perfect. No errors at all. So now let's do yarn dev local environment, and it's open locally. I'm going to just place it here. All right. So this is the local environment right now. This is the pop-up bar. Hopefully I'll just remove this ASAP, man, because I see a lot of people are not liking this, right? The thing with me is you just ship. Anything you just ship. You don't have to think a lot. You just ship. Okay, the subscribe button is a little off. That thing we just have to note. And a couple more things that we have to work on. But now let's go ahead and work on the get in touch one, okay? So first, just let composer know. Let's work on the get in touch page. Get ready, as I will be sharing some links that I want you to open. Okay. Yeah, I'm just saying it get ready because I wanted to go ahead and scan. Okay, DeepSeek R1 doesn't work. DeepSeek R1 doesn't work. Just go click on Claude 3.5 Sonnet and that will work. Yeah. Check if there's any existing. Yeah, this is where I wanted to do it. Yeah, I see there's already a connect. Yeah, that's connect page. I forgot. Yeah, it's connect page. It's not get in touch page. It's connect page. All right. Perfect. So it's asked us what we want to do. Enhance UI, nothing. I want to do simple. All right. Let's open this first. Sponsorship and discussion. Expert and discovery call. Yes. Yes. Perfect. Link. Hyperlink. What do we call it? Link this and okay. Link this to discovery call button. This to discovery call. Not just book now, but the whole card itself, and open it in new tab. Alright, so the reason I'm doing the whole card is because even if people slip a little, I just want them to click my card, because the book now button is too small, and it's like a trick that people use. Instead of just the book now button, you just link the whole card. That's what we're going to do. The whole card is going to open in a new tab. All right, perfect. I'll modify the discovery. Excited. Let's see if it works. Reload. You don't have to reload when you're on dev. Also, why is the card different? You see the card is different. I haven't asked it to make any changes like that. If you see anything like that, just go restore it. And now let's be clear. Let's be clear. Don't change my UI, okay? Simply link it so that it opens in a new tab. That's it. Simple. That's it. Yes, I see you want to make the entire directly discovery call clickable and link your cal.com scheduling page. Yes. Did it work? The thing is, it does work, but it just makes it like this. I don't know. You know what? Let's just see how it looks on mobile version. Mobile, and how does it look? I mean, it's fine. It's okay. I mean, it's fine. Yeah, let's just make it work for now. Let's just make it work. Did it actually work? Let's give it a try again. Book now. And it works. Perfect. That's what I want. So if you want to have a discovery chat with me, just go ahead, click on this, and let's have a discovery call. This is done. Now let's work on this one. Consulting session. Perfect. Perfect. Now, alright, so now are you guys getting an idea of how I built this? That's exactly how I built it. So just go chat. If you don't like it, just go back. Just ask it to make the changes and just do it. That's it. It's that simple. Now let's work on consulting session. Alright, so consulting session. Isn't this like too much of a link? Let's try this again. Let's just go to cal.com, simply cal.com, and then export consultation. Yes, this is okay. I guess only this is the link, right? Only this is the link. Yeah, just copy it. Let's work on this. Just put the link, and I think now I can just enter because it already has context on what I want to do. This will work. Alright, so I have to change the time to it. 60 minutes. That's 15, 60, and 30 minutes. And actually this one is paid, so I have to change it to $500 an hour. Accept it. And now let's see. Click. Perfect. Consulting session. Alright. Couple of things that I want to change. It would be 60 minutes, right? That was 60 minutes. Yeah. I think my consultation sessions are 60 minutes. Yes, 1 hour consulting. Yes. Yeah, 1 hour consulting. Let's change the time. Where did cursor disappear? Oh, this is cursor. Yes. Change the time on the consulting card to 60 minutes and the amount from 300 to 500 USD. Yes. $500 USD. I'll update the duration and price for the consulting session in the services array. Okay. Okay, okay, $300 an hour. How to make it more clear? Can we make it more clear that it is 500 USD, $500 in USD per hour? Yes, let's just try to make it clear because I don't want anyone to think, it's like a month or something. Let's just try to make it clear as possible. Yes, 500 USD per hour. Simple, clear cut. Yes, perfect. Sponsorship discussion. Now let's work on the sponsorship. Now let's work on sponsorship discussion. Sponsorship discussion. Where was it? Yes. That's it. That's all. Command enter. It's gonna do the job for us. Done. It's so easy, guys. This is so easy to do. I mean, I still don't understand why people have bad UI. Because right now, anyone can code, anyone can do it. I still don't get it. I still don't get it why people have bad designs. You can get anything from online repositories, components, and just reuse that to build your own website, right? I still don't even know why people use Webflow. Is it because it's easy? And why is it easy? I don't get it. I don't understand why that easy as well. Okay. See, as you can see, it's changing the size of the cards. Let's just keep it clear that keep the size of the card same as the first two. Sometimes you have to clearly tell it what you want to do, right? Only then it can do it. All right, so perfect. Let's see what it does. I'll update the sponsorship. Okay, I hope it does. Update the sponsorship discussion card to be a clickable link to your cal.com. Okay. It actually looks smaller. I have no idea why it looks smaller. You know what? What if we say restore? As you can see, the card is correct right now. You know, the card is just proper right now. It doesn't have to decrease the size. So what we can just say is same as it is currently. You just have to work on the functionality of the card. Like I said, keep the rest the same. Okay, now let's see what it does. I hope it keeps the rest exactly the same. I'll modify the sponsorship discussion card to link your cal.com sponsorship page. Accept. I just don't like it, man. You know what? Let's just say. Okay, first, is it working? It's working. Let's just go create a new page, all right? A new one. Let's just say I would like to work on the /connect page. Right now, I feel the design is bad and not the same as my design system. First, completely absorb the design system from these pages, and the pages are /work and about as well, right? /about / you know what, let's start with work a sponsored consulting /work / not about consulting / community, and I think these are the 3 files, and replicate the same for /connect as well. I hope it gets what I'm saying. Because it's a small UI thing, but I just don't, I just don't want it to change. All right, you'll be hearing some chewing sounds right now because I'm going to be eating this cookie. That's a protein cookie that I'll be eating right now. So, yeah. Perfect. Consistent page structure with container and max width. Correct. Motion animation for better interactivity. Gradient dividers and hover effects. Better spacing. More sophisticated card designs with hover states and gradients. Additional sections for social proof or social. I haven't asked for this, but let's see how it does it. Accept. All right, so now let's just go to connect. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. But I see it has added some color. I don't want that color. Let's connect. Perfect. It's the same as the others, right? Yeah, it's the same as others. Let's connect. Choose the type of sessions that best fits your needs. All meetings are conducted via Google Meet, and you'll receive confirmation details via email. That's clear cut. Okay, what others say? Join hundreds of founders and engineers who have benefited from my sessions. It's supposed to say my sessions. Just find our. Okay. Our sessions from my sessions, which is actually true, but I think it's just wording it right. That's what we need. All right, so I can actually get my other founder friends, and then I can have them tweet or something, and then just use that here. Perfect. This is great. It's actually modified it better than I even expected, and the previous one was shit. The only change that I want to remove is I see that you've added slight blue, purple, and green tint. Let's remove that. Perfect. I love this. It's just that there is a slight blue, green, and purple tint for the cards when powered. Let's remove that because I'm trying to keep my entire website strictly black and white. Done. That's it. Perfect. So now what we do is copy this. Let's go back. Let's go back to GitHub and say, perfect. This is great. Here's okay. Perfect. This is great. Just push this to this, and then just say with proper matrix. That's my trick, all right. You'll see what it is. Matrix style commit messages and interactive emojis. That's because anytime I lose my progress, I'm just going to exactly look at this. Like, look at how clean this is. It just says init matrix initialized icons. This is fix bugs and some updates. Again, that's newsletter, so that's easy. Okay, this thing is thick. It wasn't supposed to be this thick. You can see it. This is thicker and this is thin. Mostly I've only eaten the thinner side. The thicker side is also not that bad, if you get what I mean. Anyways, get status. It has to initialize it, accept it, run the command. Now let's stage all commits. Okay. Is it merging? What was it doing? I have no idea. I have literally no idea what it did. But who cares? Let's just keep pushing. Okay. Perfect. Now, let's reload. Because sometimes I do get errors. It didn't go to Vercel. So now, here's what we're going to do. Click on this. No GitHub address was matched. That is crazy. It says, okay, what we're going to do is just copy this. Getting error, just say, fuck, my keyboard's not working. Let me use another keyboard. It's such a nice mechanical keyboard, but it always runs out of charging. This is the Keychron K2 V2, but it doesn't work with charge. So I have to use this normal Logitech. Let's just type in getting errors. Just say this. And, oh, this wasn't the error. I think the error wasn't copied properly. Oh, yes, because the keyboard was not working. All right. And now I just say my email is hopefully this should work. Okay. I don't know what amend means, but if you want to, you can just go ask DeepSeek or ChatGPT. For now, I'm just okay with it. It's not a critical change. Well, it's taking time. Well, it's taking a lot of time. If it does take a lot of time, just cancel it. Where's my internet not working? Oh shit, what was it? Just cancel. Let's try a simpler approach. Please follow a simpler approach. Okay. Reload. Hopefully that works. Deploying to your app. That means it's here. Working on my app. Building. So hopefully you guys know what it is, right? For all the non-coders, error again. Basically, once you're done with localhost, you have to deploy it on Vercel or Amazon or anywhere if you want to do it. Just copy this. Now, simply say, getting this error, solve it while retaining my entire code base. Simple. You'll have to do it a couple of times. Sometimes it's called ESLint errors. Perfect. Remove the errors and also submitted it. Let's cancel this. Go back to GitHub. Reload. Click on this. Details. And I think it should work. If it doesn't, just do the same thing, guys. By now, I hope you guys get a clear understanding of how to build websites. Okay, perfect. It's pushed. So now you guys get an idea of everything that I've actually done to build my website. and to have it properly work, right? So now you can just go ahead and do the same thing right now. For now, let's cancel everything, and let's cancel this too. Now simply just type in harshit.io. Now this works, right? Work in progress. Let's go to get in touch. And now you should be able to see the proper new updated version. And now previously it wasn't working, now it is. So guys, if you want to book a discovery call, a consulting session, or a sponsorship discussion, feel free to do so. And I would be giving my 100% to make this work, all right? And if you guys have watched it till now, that means it's fucking insane. That means, I'm pushing out some good content and you guys are liking it. If not, you might be watching this on shorts. So for consulting sessions, I'm also starting my own consulting sessions as well, where I'll be teaching you to go from zero to a coder in just 4 weeks. Everything that I've learned, everything that you can do with the knowledge and skill set that I have attained in the last 2 years, you can basically do it with Cursor and all the other tools available, and just keep shipping websites and SaaS products, and hopefully you can actually make a monthly recurring revenue out of your SaaS products as well, and AI startups as well. So I think that's all for the video. It was a long session. It was like a 40-minute session that we did on how to make it work. Hope you guys get the idea and how I'm making this work. So that's all for this video, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.